Check, 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 check. All right, good morning. This is just starting up. I have a lot of tabs to close. I'm live here. Says I'm live on. Yeah, click here. Okay. Good Thursday morning. I'm gonna make this a short video so I can just save it as a YouTube one. I am going to close a bunch of tabs that I have because I just discovered some awesome stuff. I've been doing crystal programming on exorcism.org. I just have way too many tabs open because I ran into the pangram problem. Um, Thought of a whole bunch of approaches in crystal, how to solve it. There's so many clever ways. I was looking at, Unicode characters. Pangram is a string that contains every letter of the alphabet. As you see, some of the stuff I'm closing, I have ideas, and I want to say I gave up, but you can use a /forward by U for 4 hexadecimal characters. There's no Unicode code point. So I was going to compare. I was going to loop through, like, create an array of Unicode characters, compare it to everything in the list or in the string. I couldn't even figure out how to split a string by character, like loop over them over the size. So I'm just closing tabs. It's 4:30 a.m. Thursday morning. Looking at all these instance methods for working on arrays. Looking at regex in the crystal programming language. So, yeah, I'm going to bookmark and close this continuous integration tab for crystal because I really need that, but it's right now it's just in my way. So, I am going to come up with my own even more unique way. But I ended up on the rosettacode.org site. Rosetta Code has a bunch of programming problems, data structures, algorithms. For instance, here's a pangram checker for in COBOL. Lovely. Coffee script. There's obviously try long sentences, try this, remove all characters that are not A through Z. Is not pangram, is a pangram. Strip all the characters, strip all non A to Z characters, check the length. If it's not equal to 26 or greater, then it can't be one. And then you go to Common Lisp. You've got, let me zoom. This is beautiful. You've got Common Lisp, pangram, loop for C. So this is like character code A up to /Z, collect, character code C, core string upcase, to list, just nice. You got Pascal. It's like, whoa, whoa, right? And I hated to give up and actually look this up, but check this out. Crystal. You can literally just on the fly define an array from A dot dot to Z dot all for your sentence for each character, sentence dot downcase dot include C. And like my mind was blown. So I'm grabbing this. I'm going back to exorcism. See, I started saying scene, array of character, input, strip, chomp, all this, input equals input upcase. I tried starting to do like a while loop, return size at scene greater equal to 26. Just, I tried a lot of crazy things for this. So this problem is wanting we could at least say unless input dot size is greater than equal to 26, right? I almost put curly braces in there. And we can at least say this. If it's not, string isn't, false. Otherwise, I am pasting this one line. A to Z dot all, loop, character, or input, we'll do the down case. I wanted upcase for some reason. Input dot upcase includes C. So unless this, unless this, else, do this, and let's see what we get. I think I have an extra and here. Class, define, and then unless that, and end, in the defined, in self.program, pangram, class end. And that's it, you got it. Let's see. I'm gonna stop this so I can just like upload it, like boom, as a, oh, let's see, okay. Not all you do. So this was derived from Ruby A to Z dot each. Oops, I want that. Dot EACH do character input upcase include C. This, end. I know I'm on to something. Input dot upcase. Oh, A dot is C. I need to return something. Include C. So I need to return a boolean. Oh, A to Z. I need to return a boolean. Each dot do. So they were doing each dot all. Is dot all a thing? All do. Oh, maybe I'm wrong what to do here. In that example, I don't think that. Should I return? Because this is kind of like a. It's like a weird. It's like a lambda. On method C for pangram class. So I'm going to do this how I would know how to do it in Crystal with my just limited Crystal knowledge so far. I don't want to return this. Just get a loop going. A to Z dot each do C and put it in for my each loop. Each dot do C input dot case includes. Just gonna print. And then it's going to yell at me saying I'm not returning a value, so I'm just going to say false down here. I'm going to see what prints out. It must return bool, but it's returning bool or nil. Because I'm not inside the function. I can't believe 13 minutes have gone by. Okay. These have tested. True. Okay. So unless A dot each dot do C, it includes C. No, you can't do that. Each dot do if it includes C. If it doesn't. If it doesn't include if input that case. This is messing me up. This unless should be there, but A dot Z dot each dot do. If input dot upcase includes C. If it doesn't, false. We're going to do is pangram boolean equals We're going to assume it's true. I am done with this problem in this language. I'm going to, the more I learn, I'll understand how to solve this in Crystal in better ways. A to Z dot each dot do, if uppercase doesn't include it, is pangram is false, and is pangram. We assume it's true. So loop through all this. If it ever becomes false, come on, just let me get past this one. It's not the best way to learn, but this is a tricky one in Crystal. I did learn that you can just kind of array from A to Z like that. Wow, I can't believe it. Well, pass the test. I'm gonna make a pangram part 2 video in Crystal, and we do a bunch of ways to solve it to redeem myself from this one. I'm gonna stop this, and I'm gonna keep on streaming for a bit on doing exorcism.org Crystal language programming. All right.